How to insert bullets in Microsoft Word. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how to add bullets to your text. So first, you need to select your text and go to paragraph ribbon. Here in paragraph, there is an option called bullets. You can click on it and it will add bullets to your text for you. If you don't like the bullet, then you can also click on the button next to it and it will show you a drop down menu of other bullet options. You can click on any of these and it will change the bullet. So if you don't like this bulleting method, you can also add numbers in front of your list. So to do that, you need to click on the next option called numbering and click on it. It will add numbers or alphabets or Roman numbers to your text. So if you don't want these numberings, you can again click on the button next to it and it will again show you a drop down menu of other numbering options and click on any of these. So that's how you insert bullets in Microsoft Word. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Meet you guys in the next video.